Alright, this is the joys of winter in the Northeast. I don't know if this is going to stretch long enough here. Let's see. The thing is brittle and cold. Maybe we can just put that right there. Plug this thing into there. Blow that out of there. How unhappy is the battery? 11.4 volts. Perfect. So these are die-hard platinums. Looks like the charge at 40 amps. So we're gonna let that charge and see what happens. Got 150 feet of extension cord. Got the ammo can holding the hood up because it just came crashing down on me with a big gust of wind and it destroyed my charger. Just get my voltmeter and check this battery. I'm sure that one's no better, but let's see what happens here. 11.4 volts. I can't really read this display. I mean, I do have another charger. I can film another one. Maybe I'll go get another charger to speed this process up. Alright, stay here.